Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back with another Animal Jam video. It's Black Cat Gaming 101. Yes, we are back on Animal Jam. Dun dun dun. Bum. Jam Graham Jam. Okay, last time we were here, I was naked. Yes. Forgot if you guys didn't know that. If you guys didn't watch my first one, I was naked and I felt like so depressed. We got some lag going on here. Oh, there's too many people. Wonder if a party's on. Wonder if Wisteria Moon. And by the way, guys, I still have no. I left out. Hurry. Hey, boy, you on? Party's not on. Party's not on. Okay, party. See how. Oh, you're pretty. I like your wolf style. What do you have? I might give you my lucky bracelet. Oh, she has not. You are not getting my lucky. Ooh, another giraffe. I've been looking for you all these empty days. Where have you been? I've been looking for you. Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you? Oh, wait, that's an animal. I thought it was a plushie. You're disgusting. Okay, I am not going to school, guys. I don't know why I put this on. I'm not going to school. Just wanted to, okay? Yes, I just wanted to. I'm also getting rid of my backpack, your lucky bracelet, and my seashell. Put everything on trade! There we go. Yeah, I have my lucky bracelet on. We're good. As long as I have my lucky bracelet, we're good. No, you run away! Hey, little bunny kitty. I think I should read my giraffe. I think we have to decorate our giraffe, guys. Yeah, I think we do. Oh, guys, didn't I notice something in the last video? We're just gonna put a lucky bracelet on this guy, and I bet nope. It looks like he's strangling him. Anyways, I noticed something in the last video. Dark gray right here, black right here. There we go. Okay, now we're our regular selves. I still have no friends. Oh. Seems these two want to be my best friends. Just gonna try to friend both of these people. If they don't friend me back, then they're losers. Okay, we can beat this guy. I hate you. my game. We're both really good at this game, and you can't deny it. I think I want to be her friend. Snowball, you want to be friends? It's like treat everybody everything, right? Who wants to be in a unicorn? No one. Trade me. Apparently Snowball doesn't want to be my friend. Well, he's lost. Oh no, there's an angel. There's a magical angel. Yeah, a magical angel. Help! I can't walk. Stop it. Mythical shadow spirit. Mythical shadow spirit. Wow. She looks like a stuffed animal. She looked like a stuffed animal. What? She looked like a stuffed animal. Okay, guys, that's all for today.
I'm here. You're recording.
You want to give a shout out? You want to do a shout out for your channel?
I am Fluffy Corgis. Goodbye.
Bye.